Yo, what's up guys? It's been a while since I posted my last video. These are just some of the shots here that we took using the Mavic Pro drone. Sorry guys, this is my son. This is up here in Wickenburg, Arizona. It's called Box Canyon. It's a pretty badass place to ride. Check it out. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a comment. But yeah, this place is pretty cool. If you got kids, this is the place to be. Sand, water, can't go wrong. And to those of you that are new to the channel, yeah, this is pretty much all about just family fun riding on this bone stock X3. No crazy mods, not yet at least. And also too, mad respect to those guys that are fine tuning these things. I've seen some pretty badass machines out there, and so yeah, mad respect to you guys. So anyways, stay tuned for more. Peace.